Canine Cantina. Do they serve doggy tequila?
Time zone troubles while running her online business have Milan and her pup Leah moving from South Korea to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
A lot of the people that I'm working with are in the Americas, but also I needed to learn to appreciate myself. Where have you brought me? I see chickens.
Yes, so we're at the base of the mountain, and this neighborhood is called El Remanse. It's one of the oldest neighborhoods in the area, and it's adjacent to the romantic zone where all the activities are.
I love that we are at the base of the mountain. That's gorgeous, but it's far from the beach.
Yeah, but Leah's enjoying it.
And Leah is just like all in the chicken smells.
El Remanse is off the beaten path. A lot of tourists haven't discovered it. So what's nice about El Remanse is it offers tremendous value, and it's adjacent to everything, but you don't have to deal with all the noise that comes along with a big city. All right, so before we go in,
Okay.
just want to tell you, it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath.
All right.
Leah has her own outdoor space.
We love that already.
I'm not sure you're gonna love the price though. It's $900.
Oh.
Okay, that's as close to $750 as I could get for a 2-bedroom.
Okay. You had me at outdoor space. Come on, let's go. And wee.
All right, so first, why don't you go check out one of the bedrooms over there?
All right.
I know. It's a weird space. But
What a really weird place for a bedroom.
this could be a guest bedroom.
As long as they don't mind no privacy in a front door, yeah.
Yeah, or maybe an office.
Yeah, possibly.
Well, let's see the rest.
All right, let's go. Huh.
All right.
There is a lot of yellow.
Yeah, a lot of colors. You are in the old part of Mexico.
Okay, but yellow is just a bit older.
It's a little intense.
So it's like
Yeah.
body color. This is definitely a very authentic Mexican neighborhood, and I like that, but I don't love the fact that we're far from the beach. If I had something a little bit closer, it could just be like, oh, we're just gonna head out to the beach, get your toes in the water, come back, and you're refreshed. I do like the space. It's massive, which works well for somebody who works remotely.
So here's the main bedroom.
Okay. It's basic.
But it works.
It's okay.
It's a nice sized bed for both of you.
And guests.
3 of you.
Great for entertaining.
So look, the first half of the house is a little bit less than what you're hoping to find. But I think the second half is going to be a home run.
All right, well, let's look.
I know you like to bake, so I really want you to come around and check out this kitchen. Yeah,
I'm obsessed. Oh my God.
check it out.
You could fit a person in there. That doesn't sound right. You could fit a lot in there, let's just put it that way.
All right, so the 1 bath is over here, Milan.
All right, well, that's
one-
important. Come on, check out the bathroom. I like the sink. Yeah, it's very authentic in here.
More yellow.
Because you can never have too much, right? Okay.
All right. Okay, so then you have this multi-purpose room. I don't know if it's a laundry area, massage parlor. I mean, I don't know what you want to call it, but important thing is, it leads to Leah's space.
It really is a nice space. And you're smiling.
So overall, what's your sense you're feeling on the house?
Okay, so hashtag love the kitchen.
Yep.
I love this space.
Yep.
I could absolutely see having guests. I could also work from home here, but it's a little bit above what I was thinking. So I'd like to see if there's anything more in my actual price range.
For $750-ish, a 1-bedroom, would that bug you, or is that?
As long as I have the space and she's
loving it.
We came to Puerto Vallarta, kind of sight unseen. So I'm curious to see what the other places look like. What do you think? I think so, yeah.
We're in Alta Vista right now, so we're at the base of the mountain. It's a really cool, eclectic little neighborhood. And what's nice about Alta Vista is we're right on the border of the romantic zone. Yeah, that means you're just a few blocks from all the restaurants, galleries, cafes.
How far from the beach?
You're 8 blocks from the beach, so 10, maybe 15-minute stroll. Yeah, not too bad.
I love this neighborhood. There's so much greenery. One of the things that is a little bit concerning is that because it is about 15 minutes of a walk, if I wanted to take a break from working online, it doesn't really lend to an impromptu trip to the beach.
This is the condominium complex. There's a really cute 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo in there.
Okay.
Plus, there's a really cool pool.
Stop it. Do not play with my emotions. There's a pool in there?
Yeah, you didn't ask for a pool, you're gonna get it.
No, that's
And
amazing.
You didn't ask for 800, and this place is 800.
I'm willing to look. I mean, you had me at pool.
I want to show this apartment to Mila because it's almost exactly what she wants. Yes, it's small, but she wants close to town. walking distance to the beach. So Alta Vista provides all of that. But check out the pool first.
We would love to check out the pool. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
This is gorgeous.
Isn't that great?
This is so
Yeah.
nice.
We could spend all day here. Let me show you the apartment first.
All right,
Come
this
on.
is fantastic. Come on, I know.
Okay, ladies.
Oh my gosh, it's absorbs.
It's a little snug.
But hey, me likey.
And since you're the baker, what do you think about the oven?
Ooh.
Yep.
Yes.
Looks pretty new.
Hey, I see bread in your future. Okay.
You want to check out the bathroom?
All right. It's functional, but it doesn't really match the rest of the apartment.
Old world.
Yeah.
And then you have this garden view terrace.
Oh, that's nice.
Pretty, huh? Especially right now, this time of the year, everything is so nice and green.
It's a little close to the walkway.
Yeah. A little bit of a privacy concern
We have a
here.
privacy concern, yeah,
Yeah.
because that's like really close.
Yeah. You want to see the largest room in the whole
I
place?
would love to see the largest room.
That's the bedroom, actually. It's nice, no?
I love the wall.
It's a really nice feature.
I love it. I'm not thrilled that I
Yeah.
could perform in front of the window, but
This is not Amsterdam.
this is nice.
Yeah.
Okay, fair. I certainly love the bedroom, obsessed with the stove. The pool is fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit concerned about size and then the privacy issue because I really do feel like we're on display here. Plus, it's a little bit further from the beach than I would prefer. If possible, I'd like to be a little bit closer.
Okay.
And I'd still like to see if we have anything in the price range that I was looking at.
Okay. To be honest, her wishes is kind of vague. She wanted a 2-bedroom, but now she's okay with a 1-bedroom, but it's not adjacent to the beach. So these are all the dynamics I'm gonna have to try to figure out as we go along.
So this looks very city.
Yep, because we are. We're in the 5th of December neighborhood. We're right on the border of El Centro.
Okay.
Being this close to the city, you get a lot of traffic, but you're 3 blocks from the beach.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Yeah, so it's
Okay.
super close.
I love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's the cool thing about it. There are a lot of pet-friendly businesses here as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you this really cool 1-bedroom apartment.
All right.
1 bath. You got some cool outdoor areas.
Okay.
And it's only $650.
That, my friend, sounds fantastic.
Yeah.
Having the beach really close is very appealing to me. However, I don't want to be in the middle of all the action, and from what I'm seeing, I'm in it.
Wanna go in?
Yeah, that's great.
This, I would say, is kind of like the undecided room.
Maybe a small sitting room.
Yeah, I don't know what you call this room, but the bedroom's here.
Ah.
Yeah.
I love the vaulted ceilings.
Those are cool, huh?
That's really nice.
It's large.
Hey, one side for Leah, one side for mommy. You know, she's got her own
Well, you have
space.
to ask her that.
Oh, right. Well,
You want to see that balcony?
I do.
right.
You want to see the balcony?
Of
Let's
course she
do it.
does.
All right,
Of
let's
course
do
she
the
does.
balcony.
All dogs love outdoor space. What do you think?
It's a little loud.
Yeah, yeah. Well, let me show you the kitchen. Yeah?
All right, let's get out of this noise.
Yeah. All right, remember I told you earlier that this place has had some updates, and that would be the kitchen.
Again, I love the vaulted ceilings.
Yeah, makes the space seem a lot bigger,
Yeah.
for sure.
I have never ever seen an invisible stove before. Daniel,
Being sarcastic. I know. Unfortunately, you're not going to be doing much baking in here.
I don't hate the kitchen. I do hate the fact that there is no oven. And when I say hate, I'm going to emphasize that a little bit. I am super bummed there is no oven here. And for somebody who really enjoys like creating and baking, it is really a letdown that that wasn't available for me. Okay,
All right. And the bathroom's right there.
a little bit of a tear. Okay.
Check it out.
Oh, well, that's a good size. I like the high sink that you have over here. It's really nice. I don't have to like hunch over.
Yeah. Cool. Well, there's one more area I want to show you. There's a really cool space on the roof.
This is nice.
Isn't this cool?
This is great. And Leah will have a lot of space, but it's still kind of looking at everybody else. So there's not complete privacy there, which is an issue. So,
You're 3 blocks from the beach.
but yes, I am
All right.
3 blocks from the beach. So it definitely has its pros and cons. I'm gonna really have to think about the whole kitchen thing because there is no oven here.
What about the price? Only $650.
That is probably one of the biggest selling features. I think at this point, Leah's just like, for the love of God, get me a bed and let me sleep. I know that with all of the apartments, I would have to compromise. I'm just really struggling to let some of the things I really want go. So I have a really tough decision to make.
We saw a house that's pretty big, 2 bedrooms, a big kitchen.
The kitchen to die for. You could fit a person in there. Okay, that doesn't sound right.
It's a nice sized bed for both of you,
And guess.
3 of you.
And you're smiling. But it's above what I was thinking.
And then we saw that 1 bedroom condo with that great pool.
The pool was amazing.
That was really cool.
That was an extra. And I love the kitchen. It's adorable. I love the wall.
It's a really nice feature.
I'm not thrilled that I could perform in front of the window. Plus, it's a little bit further from the beach than I would prefer.
And then you have a 1 bedroom, 3 blocks from the beach.
It was very noisy, which I could live with. But the problem was the kitchen. I don't hate the kitchen. I do hate the fact that there is no oven. This is nice.
That's cool.
Leah will have a lot of space, but it's not complete privacy there, which is an issue. So.
Realistically, which one is not going to work?
I'm getting a little worried about the price of the 2-bedroom.
The one with the best kitchen?
The one with the best kitchen and the best patio. The price is problematic for me, and also because it's way too remote for us. I feel like if I lived there, I wouldn't go anywhere.
Yeah. So the 1 bedroom, that's 3 blocks away from the beach.
Yeah.
$650.
I know.
That's a smoking value, yeah?
Yeah. The biggest part of that for me is the noise and the lack of an oven for my baking.
Then you have a 1 bedroom with a pool.
It was a nice pool, and the oven is fantastic. I love the bedroom. I like the patio.
And just 8 blocks from the beach. I mean, it's not a far schlep, but it's a 10, 15-minute walk.
Yeah, it doesn't really lend to being like spontaneous. We have to pack, and we need our water, and we have to walk. And honestly, the ability to just walk out my door and be down at the beach in 5 minutes, just that's really appealing to me.
But are you going to be okay not baking for a while?
I don't know.
If you were tossing the coin, where's it going to land?
Leah, hey, what do you think? She's like, oh my God, I can't even with you. Just choose, woman. I don't know. I think just because of our lifestyle, I'm kind of leaning towards the beach.
So 3 blocks from the beach.
3 blocks from the beach.
You got that, girl?
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah. Swimsuit for you. It was really a tough decision because you're talking about space and then functionality, and I won't be able to bake like I thought. But it's a good size, so I can entertain. It has a little balcony where Leah can be free range when I'm not home.
All right. And now your helmet.